Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. This is Abdul, and today we have a new watch company that I'm unboxing, Nomadic. They are a watch company based in Belfast, and they do tool watches inspired from a shipyard. And I got in contact with them, and they agreed to send me this watch to test out, which is an expedition watch, and send it back to them. So as you can see, it came in a very nice travel pouch. We'll check the travel pouch extensively later, what the package comes with. As you can see, the pouch, you have here a small screwdriver, and maybe here you can put your straps, and here is the extra link. And we have here a cushion, and I think this is the instructions manual. I'll go through all the stuff later on in the review, so be sure to check that out. And this is an invitation to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. So here we have the Turas 941. So this is the landfall. This Turas model comes in 3 different colors, so black, white, and green. I opted out for the green because I don't have any green watches, and I thought having a green watch to test out would be a nice change. At least I would have a different color. The Nomadic also have a diver, which is called the Marai. You can check them out in the website. I will put the link in the description. So here we have Turas automatic movement. So let's go first to the dimensions. So the watch is 39 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug of around 48, thickness is around 11 millimeters, and we have here a 20 millimeter lug width tapering down. I think it's tapering down to 18, but I think here it might be 16 because that's 1 millimeter larger from each side. We have a milled clasp, as you can see, and we have a easy screw system for spring system, sorry, for the straps. For the bracelet is fixed with screws. That's why I had screws in the in this sentence. And we have in the back, maybe you can see it now better, a very nice Sedita W200 running at 28,800 vibrations per hour. You have here Nomadic etched, and you have sapphire see-through caseback, flat sapphire here. You have a combination of brushed on the sides, as you can see, and polished above from the vertical position, if you want to say it. And also the bracelet, as you can see, it has a nice brushed, so vertical brushes on it with the tapering. Looks really nice as well. You have stop seconds, as you can see. You have, so I have hacking, hand winding, and you have screw down crown with 100 meters water resistant. So like an everyday take it everywhere watch. This one costs I think 1,050 pounds, but they do a lot of discounts on their websites. You just have to go and register for newsletter, you get 10%. So be sure to check that out. The watch also has blue super luminova, as you can see. I think you can see it a bit now. And I think this is about time I put it on my wrist. I have on my wrist my Nomos, which is, I think, the most watch that I can, like one watch that I can take everywhere, 100 meters water resistant, and like this one. So that's why I thought it would be a good one to wear. I really like how it looks on my wrist, I have to say. The case looks quite nice. The bracelet is actually perfectly perfectly hugging my wrist. Maybe it's now a bit cold, so maybe I'll put one micro adjustment, which is here also as well. So you can see you have micro adjustment, which is quite good if the weather is hot or cold, so you can adjust it on the fly. Now it's perfect, I think, from the back. And let me know about the video quality. I'm trying out a new video camera, a new camera for the video. So let me know if this one is better than the previous ones, so I can switch to which one. I will actually try a new one in the next video, so be sure to check that out. Anyways, this is about it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.